To add text to a page in OneNote, simply click somewhere on the page. You can literally click anywhere and just start typing. The text that you type appears in what they call a container, and this container you can see is illustrated here. The container can be moved by dragging the series of 4 dots at the top and position it anywhere you'd like it on the page. The container can also be resized by dragging the right edge and stretching it. Unfortunately, we can't resize down or up, just to the right and to the left. When we click on text inside of a container, we acquire this little grey arrow. When we click the grey arrow, it allows us to select a paragraph. If I want to delete this text, I'm going to click on the edge of the container and simply press the delete key. Over here I have some text on the page also sitting in a container, so text is always in a container. If I click on a particular line, I can see that little arrow. Now the whole idea is when I click on the arrow, I can drag up and down to move the paragraph up or down. You can also use the Alt-Shift up arrow and Alt-Shift down arrow if you want to rearrange the order of your paragraphs. I can also resize this container so the text fits more on one line. Now when you make a change, for example, let me move this up, you also have an undo and a redo button on your toolbar up here in the top left corner. If I click the undo button, it will undo me moving that paragraph up. And if I click the redo button, it'll redo me moving that paragraph up. If I click undo a series of times, I can undo a number of things I've done right back to almost the beginning. And if I redo, I can redo everything I've undone. So when something goes wrong, the easiest thing to do is not necessarily try to repair what's happened, but to undo what's happened. And if you undo too far, just redo what you've undoed. The shortcut key for undo is Control Z, the last letter of the alphabet, and the shortcut key for redo is Control Y.